Welcome to the home of fine moving. This is how to prepare a washing machine for packing, be it for local house moving, international moving, or storage.
Nellians. How to.
Before packing the machine, it is crucial to test and confirm that it's working properly. You can do this by switching on the washing machine and running it in quick wash mode for a few minutes. Once verified, switch off the machine. You'll then need to drain any remaining water from the appliance. To do this, locate a panel, just like this one at the bottom, and open it with the machine tilted at an angle that allows all the water to come out. Close the drain. Unplug the washing machine and disconnect the inlet pipe. Lastly, you will need to secure the machine's drums using 4 transit bolts. To do this, remove the coverings at the back of the machine. Insert all the transit bolts and secure them tightly using a wrench or spanner. Once finished, allow the machine a bit of time to dry up before proceeding with packing.
Move with Nellians. Remember to like, share, subscribe.